Have you ever wondered how Warren Buffett became one of the richest men in the world by investing simply and intelligently? In this video, you'll discover the 7 golden rules he follows to ensure investment success, proven strategies that anyone can apply, even without being a financial expert. If you want to learn how to invest safely, avoid common mistakes that destroy your assets, and build wealth over time, then this video is for you. Imagine being able to transform your financial decisions and achieve the freedom you've always dreamed of, following the same principles that guided Buffett to the top. Are you tired of watching your money lose value in savings? Do you want to discover the secret to investing without the need for luck or magic formulas? Then stay until the end and find out how these 7 rules can change your financial life forever. Let's start with Warren Buffett's first golden rule. Invest in yourself. This is undoubtedly one of the most important lessons he teaches and puts into practice. For Buffett, the greatest investment anyone can make is in their own education and personal development. We're not just talking about money, but time and effort to learn new skills, read good books, and acquire knowledge that really makes a difference. Buffett is famous for dedicating a large part of his day to reading, believing that knowledge is an asset that never loses value. Think about it. The more you learn, the better prepared you will be to make the right decisions in life and in business. This doesn't just mean learning about finance, but also about communication, negotiation, and even psychology. These skills can dramatically increase your potential for success. He himself once said that the best investment you can make is in yourself. This means continuously improving your skills, whether through courses, training, or simply practicing something you love. What's more, when you invest in yourself, you don't have to worry so much about financial crises because you'll have the confidence and skills to adapt and thrive in any situation. So remember, before investing in shares or real estate, start by investing in the most valuable asset you own: yourself. Warren Buffett's second golden rule is, buy businesses, not stocks. This means that when investing, you should think as if you were buying a real part of a company, not just a piece of paper or numbers on a screen. For Buffett, investing is about owning something that generates value over time, not simply trying to make money by buying and selling shares in the short term. When you look at stocks as parts of a business, you start to analyze the company itself, its ability to generate profit, its history of growth, and even the quality of its products and services. This approach prevents you from getting carried away by the ups and downs of the market because the focus is on the long-term value of the business. If the company is solid and well-run, its results will show over time. Buffett always says, buy shares in a company that you would be happy to own even if the market closed for 10 years. This means thinking about businesses that have consistency and growth potential, not just the latest fad. By adopting this mindset, you make more informed decisions and avoid panicking during downturns because you know you're investing in something with real and lasting value. Warren Buffett's third golden rule is, invest in companies you understand. For him, it is essential to know the business well before putting your money into it. If you can't explain in simple terms what the company does or how it makes money, it's probably not the best investment for you. Buffett believes that understanding the basics of a business is crucial to assessing whether it has a promising future. Buffett has always preferred to invest in sectors he knows, such as food, drink, and insurance, because he understands how these markets work. He often says, never invest in a business you can't understand. This strategy avoids unnecessary risks, as it allows you to make decisions based on concrete information rather than speculation. What's more, by investing in companies you understand, you feel more comfortable holding on to your investment for longer, even during periods of fluctuation. This is crucial because the success of an investment often depends on holding firm during times of uncertainty. So before you go out and buy shares in companies just because you've heard they're on the rise, ask yourself, do I really understand how this company works? If the answer is yes, you're on the right path to smart investing, following in Buffett's footsteps. Warren Buffett's fourth golden rule is, focus on the long term. For him, time is an investor's best friend. Instead of trying to make a quick buck, Buffett believes that the greatest returns come over the years, when investments have time to grow and appreciate in value. He follows an approach known as buy and hold, which means acquiring shares in good companies and holding them for long periods. Buffett often says that his ideal investment horizon is forever. This doesn't mean that you will never sell your shares, but rather that you should choose businesses that you want to keep, even if the market goes through crises. When you think long-term, you don't worry so much about the daily fluctuations of the market, but rather about the company's overall performance over a period of years. By focusing on the long term, you avoid falling into the trap of buying and selling frequently, which often leads to impulsive decisions and losses. Buffett also emphasizes that compound interest has a powerful effect when left to work over time, multiplying your money significantly. So remember, invest in good companies and give them time to grow. Financial success, according to Buffett, is a marathon, not a sprint. Warren Buffett's fifth golden rule is, beware of the herd effect. This means that, when investing, you shouldn't follow what everyone else is doing, simply because it seems to be the trend of the moment. Buffett always warns of the dangers of acting like the majority, because often what is hot today may not have real, sustainable value. He is known for doing the exact opposite of what the crowd does. When most investors are buying in times of euphoria, Buffett is often selling, and when everyone is scared and selling, he is buying. This approach allows him to find good opportunities when prices are low and avoid the risks of investing in something that may be overvalued. Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This mindset helps keep the focus on value investments, rather than getting carried away by emotion. For him, acting like the majority often leads to impulsive and unreasonable decisions. So the next time you feel the temptation to follow what everyone else is doing in the market, remember Buffett's rule. The truly intelligent investor is the one who can think independently, looking for value where few can see it. Warren Buffett's sixth golden rule is, use simplicity to your advantage. For Buffett, investing doesn't have to be complicated. He believes that keeping things simple and clear often brings better results than following complex strategies or trying to predict every market movement. Instead of looking for sophisticated methods, Buffett focuses on what he calls the circle of competence, that is, investing in what he understands well. Buffett prefers companies with simple and predictable business models, such as consumer brands that everyone knows, because it is easier to assess their future performance. He says that you don't need to be a genius to succeed in investments. You just need to avoid serious mistakes and stick to what you know. This approach prevents you from getting bogged down with hard-to-understand assets or risky strategies. In addition, simplicity helps maintain discipline. When you have a clear strategy, you are less likely to deviate from your plan during times of turbulence. Buffett always warns, if you can't explain your investment to a child, it's probably too complicated. So don't get carried away by the complexity of the market. Find investments that you understand and keep your approach as simple as possible. This not only increases your chances of success, but also makes the path to achieving your financial goals clearer. Warren Buffett's seventh golden rule is, be patient and consistent. For him, patience is an essential virtue in the investment world. Rather than trying to make quick gains, Buffett believes that true financial success comes from maintaining discipline and following a consistent strategy over time, even when results don't appear immediately. Buffett often says that the stock market is a game for the patient, where those who can wait reap the greatest rewards. He compares investing to planting a tree. You don't reap the rewards the next day. It takes time to grow and yield results. Consistency is another key factor. Sticking to a solid plan and not being swayed by small falls or temporary gains. This approach protects you from acting on impulse and making drastic changes in times of uncertainty. While many panic and sell their shares during crises, Buffett holds on to his positions, knowing that the fundamentals of the companies he invests in remain solid. This allows him to take advantage of market recoveries and achieve significant returns over time. So remember, patience is the key to multiplying your money. Don't rush to get immediate results. Take it easy, Stick to the plan and let time work in your favor. This is how Buffett built his fortune, and he believes that anyone can do the same. Throughout this video, we explore Warren Buffett's 7 golden rules for successful investing. From investing in yourself to being patient and consistent, each of these lessons offers a clear path to building your wealth over time. Buffett teaches us that investing is not just about numbers, but about mindset, discipline, and a deep understanding of the companies we choose to invest in. Now that you know these valuable rules, it's time to put this knowledge into practice and take the next step in your financial journey. If you feel inspired and want to learn more about investments and finance, subscribe to our channel. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Together, we'll uncover more secrets to achieving financial success and transforming your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.